I am Dr. Pravina Piste, Professor in Chemistry at Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramanagar, Burli. Now, today we will study here the Organic Chemistry, paper 10th for the BSc part 3rd, and the name of the topic is Infrared Spectroscopy. Our inspiration, founder of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Karmavir Bhaurav Patel. This video is for educational purpose only, no copyright infringement. This copyright belongs to its rightful owner. Credit goes to respective video music composers and singers. The pictures, images, names and the photographs shown and or depicted in this video tutorial are for representation purpose for ease of understanding the subject. The pictures, images, names and or photographs used are for educational purposes only. Now we will study here the infrared spectroscopy. Now the last video that we have studied the characteristics of the IR absorption of the hydrocarbons, that is alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now today we will study here the characteristics of the some functional groups, that is alcohol and ether. Now first of all we have to see about the alcohol. Now alcohols have the characteristics IR absorption associated with the both the OH and the CO stretching vibrations. Now when run as a thin liquid film or the neat, the OH stretch of the alcohols appear in the region of 3500 to 3200 per centimeter and is very intense band, broad band, and the CO stretch shows up in the region of 12,060 to 10,150 per centimeter. Now hydrogen bonded OH stretching occurs as a very broad and intense peak at 3400 to 3300 per centimeter. The free OH stretching, if it is observed, only the solution is the dilute and it occurs at the 3600 to 3650 per centimeter. Let us consider if there is a COH, the bending vibration takes place and it shows a broad band and the weak band is observed at the 1550 to 1220 per centimeter, while the CO stretching occurs in the range of 12,060 to 1,000 per centimeter. The position of the CO stretch can be used to determine the types of the alcohol. Now what are the different types of the alcohol? That already we know that the phenols, the tertiary alcohols, secondary alcohols and primary alcohols. The phenols can be observed at the 12,020 per centimeter in the IR spectrum. The tertiary alcohols at the 1150 per centimeter. The secondary alcohol 1100 per centimeter, while the primary alcohol which is observed in the IR spectrum at 1050 per centimeter. But resolving the frequency differences, this small requires the careful calibration, so these distinctions are of no use. For the neat liquid, all the alcohol is considered hydrogen bonding. So the broad peak is the only one of the two visible. As the alcohol is dissolved in a non-hydrogen bonding solvent, the pre-OH peak becomes more visible. Now the alcohol from the intermolecular hydrogen bonds in the condensed phase if steric effects are not present. These intermolecular hydrogen bonds are formed between the OH-OH group. In the case of the alcohols, the OH groups are a more basic site. Now in the vapor phase, the OH group for ordinary alcohols do not form the intermolecular hydrogen bonds at the elevated temperature. However, in the vapor phase at elevated temperature, alcohols do not form the intramolecular hydrogen bonds with the available basic sites within the molecule. It forms the intramolecular hydrogen bond, not the intermolecular hydrogen bonds. To form the intramolecular OH and H bonds. Now in the solid phase, the phenols which are not intramolecular exhibit the intermolecular hydrogen bonded hydroxy groups, that is the OH in the range of 3180 to 3400 per centimeter. Now let us consider the example, that is the 2 alkyl phenols. It exhibits the OH this range in the range the 3438 to 3535, and the frequency increases with the increasing the steric factor of the alkyl group. The increasing steric factor increases the bond distance between the OH group is also increases. The IR spectrum of the alcohol and the phenol give the characteristics broad OH stretching absorption in the region of 3600 to 3200 per centimeter. These absorptions are broader than NH absorptions but are not as broad as the OH absorption of the carboxylic acid. The exact position of the absorption depends on the extent of the hydrogen bonding in the sample. The more hydrogen bonding which is present, the broader the absorption and the lower the wave number. And absorption due to OH bending may be visible in the region 1410 to 1260 per centimeter, but this is in the fingerprint region and can be easily confused with the other absorptions. The absorptions due to the CO stretching also occurs in the fingerprint region, but can sometimes distinguished since they tend to be stronger than surroundings absorptions, and they occur in the region of 1075 to 1000 per centimeter. For primary alcohol, it appears at the 1125 to 1100 per centimeter. For secondary alcohols, 1210 to 1100 per centimeter, and for the tertiary alcohols it shows the absorption band at the 1260 to 1140 for the phenols. The strong broad OH stretch from the started with the 3200 to 3400 per centimeter. Like the ether, the CO stretch from the 1050 to 1260 per centimeter. The band position changes depending upon the alcohol substitution. Now it is different for the different types of the alcohols. Now see here, the peaks shapes are sometimes very useful in recognizing what kind of the bond is present. The rounded shape of the most OH stretching modes occurs because of the hydrogen bonding between the different hydroxy groups. Because protons are shared to varying the extent with the neighboring oxygens, the covalent OH bonds in the sample of the alcohol and all vibrates at slightly different frequencies and show up at the slightly different positions in the IR spectrum. Now instead of seeing the one sharp peak or the absorption band, you see the whole lot of them all smeared out into one broad block. Since the CH bond don't hydrogen bond very well, you don't see the phenomena in an ether, and the OH peak is very easy to distinguish in the IR spectrum. Now see the IR spectrum of ethanol. See the broad band which is observed at the 3391. This is due to the OH stretch. See here. Now the absorption band at the 2961 is due to the CH stretch like this one. This is the CH stretch, this is the OH stretch, and the CO stretching which is observed in between this is the CO stretching. Now this is observed in the fingerprint region. It is at the 1102 and the 1055 per centimeter. Now thus we can identify the presence of the structure that is of the ethanol. Now the next is, see here, the IR spectrum of isopropyl alcohol. The OH, the stretching, this OH stretching is observed at the 3400 per centimeter, while the CH stretching is observed at the nearly about the 3000, and the CO stretching is observed, this is the CO stretching is observed in the fingerprint region, showing the presence of the alcohol. Now this is the IR spectrum of 1-hexanol. This showing the OH stretch, see here, this showing the OH stretch. This is the CH3 group, that is the CH stretch of the CH3 group. This is the CH2 bend, CH3 bending, and the CO stretching lies in the fingerprint region. Now this next one is the IR spectrum of cyclohexanol. This is due to the OH stretching at the 3342. This is the due to the CH2, the group CH stretching in the CH2, that is methylene group, that is 2935 and 2855. This is of the bending, the CH2, the CO stretching which is observed. This is the CO stretching observed at the 1000, the 70 per centimeter. Now next one is the IR spectrum of paramethyl phenol. See, this is of the OH stretch, the presence of the phenolic OH group. It is shifted to the, due to the resonance, it is shifted to the lower frequency, and it is observed at the 3300 per centimeter. This is due to the CH stretching in the alkyl group. This is due to the, if there is a para substituted group, this is the C double bond O, that is the aromatic, if there is a aromatic hydrocarbon, then showing a double bond, this is the CO stretching is observed, and if there is a para substituted, it is observed near about the 800 per centimeter, indicates the para substituted the phenol. Now see the ethers. Now ether which containing the COC. Now see here the IR spectrum of dibutyl ether. Now how will you distinguish between the alcohol and the ether? In ether there is no any broad band which is observed at the 3600 to 3200 per centimeter, and absence of that band indicates the absence of the alcohol. Now here in case of this ether, it shows the CH stretching. Here CH stretching for the CH3, CH stretching due to the CH2, presence of the CH2 group. Here the CH2 bending, here the CH3 bending, and the CO stretching which is observed in the fingerprint region, in the region of the frequency the 1127, indicates the presence of the ether. Now this is also the next ether, that is the methyl N-propyl ether. There is a, in this region there is a no any, the absorption band indicates no OH stretching, that is no alcohol present. This is due to the presence of the CH stretching. That if there is a methyl group or the methylene group, then it is showing such a type of the absorption band at the near about the 3000. Then it shows the CO stretching at the 1100, the 70, indicates the presence of the ether. Now see the diethyl ether. There is a no the OH absorption band here. This indicates the no alcohol, no OH group. There is the CH stretching due to the CH2 and the CH3 group, and the CO stretching which is observed at the 1187 indicates the presence of the ether. Now next one is the butyl vinyl ether. There is a no OH broadband here, indicates the no OH group. Here there is a CH stretching. Here there is a 1612 which indicates the presence of the C double bond C. Here there is a, in a butyl vinyl ether, there is a C double bond C is observed, and here it is showing the absorption band at the 1187 indicates the CO stretching. This indicates the presence of the ether. Now next one is the anisole. The phenyl group is attached to the oxygen and then the CH3. This is called as the anisole. Now here the anisole here shows the CH, here the 3082 is due to the CH stretching in the aromatic. The CH3, this is due to the CH3 group, the CH stretching due to the CH3, and the methoxy symmetry CH is here. And here the CO is observed at this, the 1100, the 27 is observed due to the CO stretching in the showing the presence of the ether. Now this is the typical infrared of the values. Now for the next video, visit the Rayet Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel Rayet Knowledge Bank. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.